Maeve at the creek. She's standing. The snow is up to her butt. She's just sitting in it. There's Alana trying to walk in the snow. I love how all the trees on one side are just completely covered in white. It's like somebody put vanilla icing on them. It would be beautiful if it wasn't such a pain in the butt to get rid of. And now it's getting windy. Hope none of these trees decide to come down. There goes the power if they do. What's the matter, Maeve? You got snow in your mouth?
I got some snow and I spit it out.
Oh, good.